Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review and wear test on the new One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Waterproof Setting Spray. I'm super excited to be putting this as a test because this recently launched and I have very oily skin, so I wanted to see if this is gonna keep my makeup nice, matte, and in place. But before we get started, I do quickly want to introduce myself for those of you guys who are new to my channel. Hi, welcome. I am Jessica, aka the Mexican Beauty, here on YouTube and on my other platforms. I would love for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. That really helps me out so that we can continue growing our family here on YouTube. Also hit that notification bell because I'll make sure we never miss a video. You guys can also check me out on Instagram and TikTok, which also is the Mexican Beauty. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this review and wear test. Okay, so I have here the product. I decided to go with the smaller one just because I personally, when I'm trying out setting sprays for the first time, I like to get the smaller size and they're cheaper, so why not? So I got the 1 ounce one for $15. The larger size, the 3.4 ounce one, is $30. You can find one size over at Sephora. It is owned by Patrick Starr. So let's read a little bit about this product before we get started. So it's best for oily, combo, and normal skin. It's long wearing, it's vegan, it's waterproof, and it's also cruelty free. It's supposed to give the skin an all day matte finish. It contains green tea extract, which helps tighten the pores, and witch hazel, which helps absorb oil for a blurred matte finish. So let's go ahead and open this really quick so we can go ahead and kind of see the type of packaging. So it looks like this. I feel like One Size always has the cutest packaging. So it comes in this nice aerosol can. It's supposed to be light as air, non-sticky. This formula sets full beat makeup with next level hold for 16 hours. It features texture solving ingredients that help tighten and help absorb the oils, and it just gives a blurred matte finish. So like I said, this does contain 1 ounce and it looks like this. This is a perfect travel size. I love that brands do that. They come out with a regular size and a travel size, which is great for when you're traveling, obviously, but also if you're somebody like me who likes to kind of put things to the test before, you know, we make the commitment to buy the full size one. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do today is I'm going to be applying it over on this side, and then we're going to leave this side without any type of setting spray so that we can see if there's a difference between having the setting spray on and not having the setting spray on at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and always do a test run. That's a really good spray. It's very like strong. It looks very lightweight, but like it comes out. So let's go ahead and spray. It came out very fine. It didn't even feel like it was sprayy. It literally felt very smooth and misty. And it did a really good job of not, you know, having like droplets dripping down my face. Am I noticing a difference? Kind of. I feel like this side looks a little bit more like perfected, and there is a scent to this. I mean, like I mentioned, it does contain the green tea extract and witch hazel, but it almost is giving me like a cucumber smell. Okay, so this is the side with the setting spray on by One Size, a mattifying setting spray. This is the side without it. I feel like I can see a difference. It's not too extreme of a difference, but there definitely is a difference for me. I definitely do feel like this side looks a little bit more perfected. This looks like a little bit more of that texture being exposed. I do quickly want to mention that there also is another setting spray for people that do have dry skin. So don't feel like, oh, is there gonna be one for me? I don't have oily skin. Yes, there's a setting spray called Preserve the Serve Luminous Setting Spray, and that's supposed to just give you a nice, refresh, hydrating, luminous finish. And it does have different ingredients. That one does have snow mushroom extract, which helps hydrate, cactus water, and goji berry to help protect the skin against environmental aggressors. And it is showing me that it is the same price for both of these setting sprays. And then of course, you guys know that they did come out with the makeup dissolving mist, but these two are specifically just setting sprays. Let me go ahead and touch it and see if there's a difference. Okay, so the side where we did apply the setting spray, it doesn't feel sticky whatsoever. It feels very nice, smooth. It almost kind of gives like a velvety finish. Let's go ahead and touch the other side. This side feels sticky, but I think what will really determine how this does is our wear test. So Right now it is 2 p.m. I'm gonna be wearing this for the entire rest of the day, and then I'll come back in the evening and give you guys my final thoughts on what I think of the setting spray, and if you have oily skin, whether I think that you should check this out or not. So definitely stay tuned for that, because I do like how it looks. I feel like it looks very pretty. But we have to see kind of how the rest of the day goes. I will do an in natural lighting clip so you guys can kind of see how it compares and contrasts, like texture wise, because I feel like that's the one thing that you probably will be able to notice. And the one thing that I'm noticing a little bit is that the texture is a little bit minimized here than it is here. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. And in case you guys are wondering, I do have on the viral TikTok glitter lips. So this is by Stay Golden Cosmetics in the shade Baby. They actually are restocking today, so definitely check it out. Hopefully these are still in stock so you guys can try these, but these are gorgeous. Like, this is such a pretty color. It's kiss proof, swim proof, turn up proof, and cruelty free. It's a little lip kit, so you get the glitter, you get the lip liner, and you get the glitter glue to like really lock things in place. But I have been loving this, so I wanted to kind of wear it on camera today. But enough of that, I will go ahead and carry on with the rest of my day, and I'll see you guys later for my final thoughts. Keep watching. Okay guys, so this is the side with the setting spray on, and this is the side without the setting spray. And we are in natural lighting. I definitely do feel like this side looks a little bit smoother than this side. What are your thoughts? Okay guys, so I'm back. Right now it is 11:45 p.m. So I've been wearing this for the entire day, and I'm ready to give you guys my final thoughts on the new One Size Until Dawn Mattifying Setting Spray. So this is the side with the setting spray right here, and this is the side without the setting spray. And can we just talk about the fact that this actually did make a difference? I feel like when we first applied the product, I couldn't really tell much of a difference. I even said it in my in natural lighting clip. I feel like the only thing that I could tell was that it definitely did make my skin look a little bit smoother, but as for keeping me like oil free, I couldn't really tell a difference. I had a feeling that it wouldn't be until the end of the day that I would be able to see the difference between having the setting spray on and not having the setting spray on, and it's clear as day. It definitely does make a difference. Definitely one of the better setting sprays that I have tried when it comes to oily skin, because this really kept the oils to a minimum. Now, is there a little tiny bit of shine peeking through? Yes. I mean, it's gonna happen. I have very oily skin, but this, compared to this, I think I'll take this anytime. Another thing that I really liked about this is the fact that it does have a really nice consistency. So it comes out like such a fine mist. It's not gonna ruin your makeup. Sometimes some sprays ruin your makeup because they just end up dripping on your face. This will not do that. This actually does a beautiful job of really sticking on and looking great. You can even use this to retouch. So like, let's say that, you know, it's hour 5 or 6 and you're gonna go from work to like happy hour with friends or something like that. You can go ahead and retouch just to kind of make sure everything's locked in place again, and then carry on with the rest of the day. So I definitely have to say this is approved by me. I will continue using this, and I highly recommend you guys check this out if you are looking for a good setting spray that is great for oily skin, because this definitely makes a huge difference. That's pretty much all my thoughts. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Let's me continue doing these type of videos for you guys. And I think that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to stay safe, stay blessed, and stay beautiful. And I'll be seeing you guys very soon for a brand new video. Bye guys.